Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful letter reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi napangal sa subaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa ating ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ay isang reading para sa buwan ng May 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po Renzo Tarot 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message po kayo sa akin. Hindi po ako mag-message po sa inyo. Kasi kapag may nauna pong mag-message sa inyo to over a private reading, hindi po ako yan, scammer po yan, nanggagayat po yan ng account natin. So, sa TikTok account po natin na 11K followers lang po kayo mag-message Renzo Tarot 444. Alright? So, huwag nating patagalin pa ito. Kunan na natin Leo ang iyong 10 baraha para sa ating May 2026 reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Leo. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Give us the clarity, Saint Michael. Please, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Ano ba mga dapat abangan? Dapat asahan ng ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Leo sa buwan ng May 2026. Alright, Leo. Your 10 cards are now ready. Kompleto na po siya. Huwag nating patagalin pa ito because I know that you're so excited. May 2026 reading mo, Leo. Let's begin with the King of Swords. King of, I can see here, kung meron kang mga bagay daw, Leo, na parang nagda-doubt ka pa, parang nagdadalawang isip ka pang gustong gawin, May 2026 you need to make an action. This is about taking action. This is more on being aggressive, kumbaga, kung anong gusto mong gawin talagang gawin mo ito according to this is what you really wanted. Ito nakikita ko dito. Okay? Hindi yung parang gusto mo lang to dahil trip mo lang. Ito yung dapat gawan mo ng action, klaseng bagay na gagawan mo ng action na talagang in line sa'yo. This is your dream. This is where you are aligned. And if you are still doubting yourself, so kailangan mo nang gawan to ng paraan. Or by May 2026, you need to make an way, you need to make an action for it to be realized or para ma-materialize itong bagay nito. Alright? So, hindi ito pwedeng tatahimik-tahimik ka na lang dyan sa gilid, mag-aantay ka lang sa kung anong meron. So, kailangan mo kumilos, kailangan mo gumalaw with the King of Swords here. Ito, the World card. So, May 2026, Leo. So, something fresh, something new beginning is waiting for you. Nakikita ko kasi dito parang na-stuck ka sa isang cycle. Feeling mo paulit-ulit na yung sitwasyon. Gigising sa umaga, ganito, parang nagsasawa ka na. And you are looking for something fresh, something new na gusto mong gawin. But I can see nga, itong bago mong papasukan or gusto mong gawin, you're going to take risk, is about a certain thing na kumbaga ito na talaga yung gusto mo, or this is where you are aligned, or ito yung path talaga. This is what you're dreaming about. Regardless, you don't need, maybe even it's odd, hindi man to normal sa ginagawa ng iba, but at least you know that is legal or walang masama dito, then do it. You don't need approval of other people as long as dito ka masaya kasi na-stuck kasi isang sitwasyon na paulit-ulit na lang. Cycle na lang dito, Leo. And you need to make an action. You need to make a way kung gusto mo talaga makaalis sa cycle na yan. And with the World card here, by May 2026, you're going to make an action for you to start all over again. Something fresh wherein dito ka naman masaya. Dito ka, kumbaga ito yung gustong-gusto mong mangyari. Alright? Ito, pangatlo. Look, Two of Wands, you're going to decide, you're going to make a way. Talaga yan, malayo yung tingin mo dito with the Two of Wands. You really want to move a place, lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng trabaho, lumipat ng lugar. Gusto mo magsimula ng something new, negosyo man to, side hustle, vlogging, or whatsoever that makes you happy, writing, or you're going to kumbaga ilabas mo na yung tinatago mong talent. It's more on something you're going to make a decision here with the Two of Wands sa May 2026. Kumbaga dito mo na talaga ilalabas. Okay, see, sabi ko, if you're waiting for a moment, if you're waiting for a sign na para kumilos na, so May 2026, it is necessary gawin mo na ito. Huwag mo na itong palipasin pa. Huwag ka na mag-antay pa ng kailan pa ba ito. Ito, the cards are very clear here. You need to make an action by May 2026 for you. Kung gusto mong ma-discover ka, kung gusto mong mag-grow ka as a person, Leo, you need to do it. Alright? No hesitations, no doubts, no buts and ifs. So, May 2026 is the perfect time for you. Right? Pang-apat is the temperance. So, here, you don't need to be afraid. Hindi ka pa rin matakot. Okay, with temperance here, you are guided. Universe is on your back. So, also being patient. Hindi kasi baka mag-expect ka by May 2026, sinasabi ko dito na gawin mo na, makikita mo agad yung resulta. No, will be just the beginning. At first, hindi mo makikita, hindi mo ma-realize. You were not appreciated at first. But later on, magugulat ka. Sunod-sunod, biglaan na yung growth nito. Bahala ka kapag nag-give up ka easily, if you're not being patient with a temperance card here, you need to take it easy. Okay? You need just to focus. Do your work every day. Wala mang growth na nangyari. Sabi ko nga, expect mo na sa una, hindi mo talaga makikita, hindi mo ma-appreciate ang lahat. But if you're really, kumbaga, may pangarap ka, if you really wanted something na gusto mo makamit, then you need, with the temperance card here, you need to focus and you need to be extra patient here. You don't need to worry, hindi ka pa rin matakot, you are guided by your ancestors and spirit guides here. Alright? Universe is on your back, hindi ka pa rin matakot dito, Leo. Your ruler is sun, you'll always be filled with energy. Hangman. So, by May 2026, it's more on, kasi because for a long time, feeling mo na, sabi ko nga, na-stuck ka sa isang sitwasyon na paulit-ulit na lang, parang feeling mo nakabitin ka sa ere. And with the Hangman card here, by May 2026, expect, Leo, sabi ko, if you take, kung hindi ka kikilos, kung hindi ka magte-take ng action sa pangarap mo o sa gusto mong gawin, kung hindi mo siya sisimulan, you're going to still be continue in a hangman situation. Mabibitin ka, stagnant, walang growth. Okay, and you will, of course, will be affected. Magtatanong ka sarili, ano ba ito nangyari? Eh, hindi ka naman kumikilos eh. Hindi ka naman gumagawa, puro ka ng plano, puro ka ng salita. Okay, kailangan mong gawa ng aksyon, sabayan ng aksyon ito. If you really want to move forward and matapos itong hang moment mo, is stagnancy, waiting period, so you need to make a way. Hindi to pwedeng daanin sa pag-aantay lang, o parang you're waiting for a miracle, or like sabi nga, parang si Juan tamad para mag-aantay ka lang na bumagsak yung bunga ng apple for you. No, it takes action. Samahan ng action ito. Hindi to mangyayari kung hindi mo sasabayan ng pagkilos. Leo. Alright? So, ulitin ko, please do subscribe. Kapag di po kayo subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please follow our TikTok account. And if you want to build a private reading, mag-message po kayo sa akin. Hindi po ako mag-message sa inyo, scammer po yan. Alright? So, let's continue. May 2026, ano ba mga dapat mong abangan? Pangalan mong baraha, Queen of Swords. Alright? Aside from taking action, tingnan po gaano ka connected ang baraha natin. King of Sword and Queen of Sword. O, di ba? Sabi ko nga, aside from taking action, ipakita mo rin, Leo, na kaya mo. Hindi ka pwedeng, baka mamaya, kikilos ka nga, gagawa ka ng action, pero feeling mo may trust issue ka sa sarili mo, may trust issues ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. You need to assert your authority. Pakita mo na kaya mo, magaling ka. Right? You have the skills, you're very intelligent. I know, your ruler is the sun. Everything is like, kumbaga, magiging malinaw sa'yo. It's just a matter of ang action lang ang kulang sa'yo, yung pagkilos. Kasi parang there are points of your life na parang tinatamad ka lagi. So, with the Queen of Swords here, you need to really, aside from take an action or kumilos, kailangan mo din pakita mo sa sarili mo, believe ka sa sarili mo na kayang-kaya mo. It's all about courage na ipapakita mo dito. Hindi pwedeng gagawa ka ng action, pero may doubts ka, wala kang tiwala. So, anong klaseng action yon? Ito, chariot. Movement, elevation. From a certain point of life, certain situation, kung dati puro failure, kung dati puro disappointment and frustrations, betrayal. So here, kasi mag-move ka. May elevation dito, may promotion, bagong trabaho, lilipat ng lugar, lilipat ng trabaho. Alright, sabi ko, world card. Bakit ka mag-move? Kasi sawa ka na eh. Paulit-ulit na yung cycle ng sitwasyon mo dito. That's why you want something new. And the chariot card here is a confirmation card na talagang kikilos ka, mag-move ka by May 2026. If you're planning for a travel, if you're planning to move a place, so this is something. You're waiting for a promotion, if you're waiting for a certain blessing na matagal mo na inaantay, so by May 2026, i-claim na ito. Leo. Alright? So, take it easy. Relax lang. Okay? Huwag ka matakot. Life is about taking risk. Hindi mo malalaman, hindi mo susubukan kung hindi ka kikilos, kung hindi ka gagalaw. Alright? So, May 2026 for you, 7 of Pentacles. I know, isa sa pinaproblema mo, that's why you really wanted to make an action or to take risk, lumipat, or magsimula muli. It's because money-related, hindi ka kontento. Aside from, paulit-ulit na lang yung cycle sa sitwasyon mo, in terms of kapirahan, baka yung trabaho na yan, feeling mo, kulang yung sinasahod mo dyan. O kung sapat man, hindi na, kumbaga, sumasakto para sa pangangailangan yan. You really want to make a way, gusto mong lumipat, gusto mong gumawa ng paraan, mga bagay na gusto mong gawin para mapalago, for at least hindi man talagang yumaman ka, but at least yung hindi ka kakapusin. Because this is about, may issue din dito ng financial, yung nakaka-apekto dito sa desisyon gagawin mo. Right? With the Seven of Pentacles here, it's more on money. Money related ito. Kasi parang hindi sapat ang nakikita ko dito. You really want to save, you really want to a certain situation na parang makakatulong sa'yo na mag-improve ang kalagayan mo sa kaperahan. May 2026, Ace of Cups, new partnership, new relationship is waiting for you. So with the Temperance here, ang ganda talaga. Connected talaga mabarahan ko. Ace of Cups, there are 2 cups here with the Temperance. So it's more on balance. Okay, be patient. Pag magmamadali, don't rush anything, but I can see a new opportunity waiting for you. Love life man to, trabaho, blessing, opportunity. So, i-claim mo na ito by May 2026. Everything, kumbaga lahat sabay-sabay ito. Talaga, magugulat siya. Wow. Sabi nga natin, ito, just don't pressure yourself, ha? Talagang kusa namang darating to sa'yo. But with the Ace of Cups here, I can see a very beautiful month for you. This month of May will be a kind of month na talagang magugulat ka. Hindi mo to expect, Leo, para sa'yo. Aside from improvement, aside from recovery, it's more on yung mga bagay na hindi mo inasahan ay darating pa. Alright? So, tapusin natin tong May 2026 reading mo, Leo, with your 10th and last card, the Fool. Tingnan mo. The Hanged Man. You need to take a leap of faith. Kailangan mo talagang sumugal, kailangan mo take risk. Kasi, kung gusto mong forever na lang, andyan ka sa sitwasyon na walang improvement ang buhay mo, nakatenga ka, kung feeling mo nakahang moment yan, then it's your choice. But the Fool card here is telling you by May 2026, you need to take a leap of faith, sumugal, take a risk. Maaring hindi ka pa ready, maaring hindi ka pa komportable, but kailangan nang umalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan at sumubok ng bago. Alright? Also, don't forget to enjoy yourself every day. For a long time, parang focus ko sa walang kwentang bagay, doon lang mong ginagamit or dinitrain yung energy mo. Why don't you prioritize yourself as of now? Matagal na panahon na parang hindi ka nakakakain ng masarap ng pagkain, nakakapag-nood ng movie, nakakapag-outing, nakakaligo sa beach. Everything that will pamper or to regain your energy na yung gawin mo ito. Okay? It's very, kumbaga, June na ito kasi for a long time talagang kumbaga, inuna mo na muna yung ibang tao, family members. But I can see here, it's about taking risk, ha? The cards are very clear here that May 2026 is about taking action and taking a leap of faith for you, Leo. And whatever decision na gagawin mo, everything will be positive or maganda magiging resulta because the Chariot is here, Ace of Cups is here. So, talagang everything will fall into place for you, Leo. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much. I'm praying na marami na sa sa'yo na Leo makapanood ito ngayon. Thank you so much mga Leo kong soulmates sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal, sa inyong laging panonood at pag-aabang, sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Thank you so much. Ano man ginagawa niyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. And God bless us all.